Hey guys, I'm Silverwolf and welcome to part 2 of the first look at the new 2023 Furby. I was going to do this all in one video, but as you probably remember, Furby decided to have a dance party, so it took a while longer than I thought it would. So let's have a look at all the 5 different things that Furby does. So we have the dance party, copycat, tell my fortune, let's chill, and light show. So in the last video, I'm doing these one after another. So just press that to wake Furby up.
Oh, Furby just had weirdest dream. Furby was small, fuzzy creature with glowing ears and... Wait a minute!
It wasn't a dream, Furby. Okay, so this is what you do to...
But when I consider pizza?
I always consider pizza, it's the best food. Especially when you go to Italy and have actual Italian pizza. So you press his heart gem. You say hey Furby, and then wait for Furby to respond. Furby's ears will glow green and you'll hear a chime. When the heart gem and the ears change to white, that means Furby is listening. Now you can say one of these commands. Okay.
Furby, hear that?
Hey Furby. Dance party. So that's the dance party one. I'm not going to spend too long on each one, otherwise we just won't fit them all in.
Ew, all danced out.
So if you don't touch his belly, he won't do another song. Okay, so. Hey Furby. Copycat.
Say something to Furby, and Furby say it back.
Hi, I'm Furby.
Chipmunk. Pat Furby head for another voice. Robot. Beep boop boop beep. Hi, I'm Furby. Shake Furby to record again. Hi, I'm Furby. Copycat unlocked. Poke Furby belly to hear again. Hi, I'm Furby. Pat Furby head for another voice. Space Cadet. Hi, I'm Furby. Shake Furby to record again.
That was hilarious.
All finished copycatting.
Well, I think you unlock different voices the longer you play with the Furby, so that'll be fun, trying to find out all the voices that he can do. So, the next one is... Hey Furby, tell my fortune.
Crystal Furball. Rub Furby belly to see future. New door will open. Old door will close. Go through open door. Pat Furby head for another fortune. Hope that helped, Unai.
I didn't do it fast enough. The other one is shake to switch to magic furball mode.
Pizza?
So, hey Furby, tell my fortune.
Magic Furball. Ask Furby yes or no question.
Is it raining right now?
Shake Furby for answer. Furby say, heck no, Nula. Pat Furby head for another fortune. Ask Furby yes or no question.
Will my purple Furby arrive soon?
Shake Furby for answer. Furby say, nah. Shake Furby for different type of fortune. Woo! Crystal Furball. To see future, rub Furby belly. Magic Furball. Ask Furby yes or no question.
I have no ideas right now.
Shake Furby for answer.
That wasn't a yes or no question, was it? If I just leave him, he'll probably go back to being normal again.
Shake Furby for answer.
No, he's insisting that I shake him. There we go.
Furby say, what will be, will Furby.
That's quite a good
Pat
answer.
Furby head for another fortune.
And I think if you don't do anything with Furby at this point, that Furby will just go back into normal mode. So there you go.
Hope that helped, Unai.
Right. Let's see. The next one is... Hey Furby! Let's chill.
Okay, time to relax. Sit comfortably and let's take deep breaths. Ready? Close eyes and think of happy place. Breathe in. Breathe out. Name 3 things Unai can hear right now.
A fart. And music. And the clock.
Repeat after Furby. Home.
Oh.
Pretend Unai a bunny and sniff through nose. Feel feet against floor. Breathe in. Breathe out. Exercise unlocked. Pat Furby head to practice again.
So, obviously different ones will unlock as long as you play with him.
Feel much better.
Which is quite nice. They did say that today's generation of kids like to practice mindfulness because a lot of them, of course, went through COVID at a young age, and so you need something to relieve the stress. It also shows that the world is becoming a more stressful place as well. When they actually bring out toys that do like a chill session. Hey Furby! Light show!
Cyber Furb.
It makes Furby's ears light up for 10 minutes. Tap the head to see different colour patterns and touch the tummy for special light effects. So as you can see, the Furby is rotating through different ear colours here. So let's have a look at different effects. You got a sort of a flashing one. I really like the idea of the lights. It's quite, again, it's quite a peaceful thing. If you sat in a dark room with your Furby, I've always found things like that quite fun. Let's touch the head.
Aurora, Furby, Alice.
Ha! I think this would be better in the dark, to be honest. I might do a video of that at some point.
Beautiful dream. Double rainbow.
That's cool. I don't know if you can see how intense the colours are with the rainbow, but it is pretty cool. I'm one of those people, by the way, who has an LED light up keyboard and mouse. This is how much I like LED colours. That's one thing that when I saw the prototype that I really liked, was the fact that it had these clear plastic ears. Because again, that's another of my favourite things. I just love anything like that. It's kind of
Lightning storm.
oh, my aesthetic.
Silent disco. Oops, sorry.
Haha. So as this is part 2 of the first look of the new Furby, I will give a few of my thoughts and generally review it.
Ooh, campfire.
I actually think that it's really good so far. I will openly admit right now that I wasn't a fan of the multiple personality Furby booms, because I'm used to the 90s ones that had one personality. Mind you, I know a lot of you like them, and that's great, because they were fun. But the Furby Connects are my favourites of the recent ones because
Fireworks.
they had the one personality. The colours on them were all plain and not very good, but they had so much potential that just wasn't used, and that is the tragic thing about the Furby Connects. So far, I'm loving this new Furby.
Galactic.
I will do a separate video talking fully about my views and stuff with the new Furby. But right now, so far, I think that initially my review is probably
Cyber Furb.
that's gone back to the beginning again. I think my review I rated probably about 9 out of 10. Nothing is perfect, I will also say that, and so far I haven't found anything that's not good about this, other than, of course, the beak doesn't move, and that it's primarily aimed at girls, whereas Furbies are always, you know, for any gender, really. But then again, you know, boys like colours like that too. It's just not quite as common with lads to like sort of bright coloured, unless they're younger, and little kids, they like bright colours and they don't think about anything like that, nor should they. Things shouldn't be gender stereotyped. But I get that toy companies do kind of like aim them roughly at boys or girls, and yeah, you can't escape the fact it's been aimed more at girls than boys. But again, you know, if your sister's got one and you happen to be the little brother, I'm sure you'd enjoy playing with it as well. So yeah, I'd think a firm 9 out of 10 for the new Furby. So there's more videos of this Furby coming up. If you want to see them all, you can click the boxes that come up below. I have made a playlist for it. As always, feel free to check out my Etsy and New Monday stores. The links are in the description. You can also join my Discord as well if you're a Furby fan. I've got lots of nice Discord members on there who welcome new people as well. You can buy me a coffee on Ko-fi if you enjoy what I do. And that's all for this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silverwolf signing off.